Hello all and welcome back to my channel. So the very first step in this project is to cut out the two flat surfaces of a cereal box. Carefully draw out the shape of a rainbow and cut it with scissors. Now I use acrylic paint to paint my rainbow. Cut and bend a paper clip into the shape of a hook and hot glue it onto the cardboard. Once all the hooks are on, add another layer of glue on top. Press down to make sure that everything is structured and secure in place. Now use a round bead to hide the tip of the paperclip hook. Finally, use the remaining of the cereal box to make the clouds. Hot glue them to the end of the rainbow. This is how I display my necklace collection and keep everything organized.